Amanda with Straightsmile Solutions, straightsmilesolutions.com, and today we're going to talk about mental labial folds and this little crease that some patients have, some people have. It has a lot of different names. There's a lot of different synonyms. So if you're calling it something else, mental labial fold, mentalis fold, mental labial angle, there's probably other ones. I saw it in the literature being called all kinds of things. What was interesting is that for the first time I found this article, this white paper that actually defined what is normal and what is not. So I'm going to read this to you. They said you can measure this angle with like a protractor. Obviously this is a very acute angle. I don't know what the angle here is. Maybe it's 45 degrees. They said a mental labial angle of approximately 107 to 118 degrees was deemed most attractive, with a range up to 140 deemed acceptable. Angles above or below this range were perceived as unattractive, or anything outside or below of 98 degrees or 162 degrees. A very deep mental labial angle or almost flat angle was the least attractive, and this would definitely be a very deep angle. I guess it's a little more than 45, maybe it's 60. But in any case, it's not only orthodontics that's going to fix this, especially if you have to start very, very young if you want to fix this with orthodontics, like phase 1 kind of young. And it can be due to a variety of factors. Sometimes it's just class 2 and a big chin bud. We call this chin bud. So you can be really class 2, have no jaw, but have a chin bud, and that's why it looks like that, and a low angle together. I would say that's the most common. Low angle. That means your SNGOGN is low. Class 2, that means your SNB is low and your A and B is changed. Those together, as well as having a big chin bud. But it can also be due to habits, certain type of strain, lip habits, and other things. So if it's really of importance, especially in adult, jaw surgery may be needed, as well as fillers or plastic surgery, including recontouring this gingival chin button, genioplasty, fillers in the sulcus, or jaw surgery to advance, as well as maybe possible impaction of the maxilla to change the angle of the mandible. So there's a lot of different ways that it can be fixed. So it's not necessarily going to change that much with orthodontists is what we got to, unless you're starting very, very, very young. And you may need to combine it with oral myofunctional therapy. So it's not, if that is your patient's chief complaint, it's recommended, unless they're very young, that you definitely look into, OMT treatment, as well as possible orthognathic surgery as a fix. Definitely get your patient a referral with an orthodontic surgeon, as well as with an OMT. All right, thank you.